Hi friends, and this is our new tutorial about the Instagram app. Today we will show you how to change your current password for your account, so let's go to the watching. And the first step I need to do is to open my Insta app. Right now we are located on the profile page, and let's pick on the three lines button at the top of the screen, going to the settings and choosing security. Later we need to go to the first section like passwords and set your current password on the first bar. I'm so sorry, I need to get away my phone because this current password is really important. Okay, well done. On the second and the third bar I need to set the same new password. Let's do it, but remember that this password won't be too easy. Well done. Everything is successfully saved, and let's pick on the same button to confirm my choice, my actions. Wait a minute please before the uploading. And right now, as you can check, we have an alert that from now on my newly created password is activated smoothly. So in this way you can without any troubles control and manage your password on account. And I hope this tutorial was useful and interesting. Don't forget about the likes and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out even more cool phone tricks. Goodbye!